I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of Glen Dosa Maker SA3038N. So let's get started. Now this is a dosa maker from the brand Glen. It comes with 2 years warranty and the power is 1000 watt. You can see the product image here, and it has a big size diameter pan, so that means you can not only cook dosa but you can also cook chila, parantha, pancakes or crepes for the kids. In fact, images also describes the same thing, like you can cook paranthas, chilas or crepes for your children. Now there is a power and ready lights which indicate whether the machine is on and ready to use or not. You also get wooden batter and bamboo spatula, and variable temperature control is there, and it comes with non-stick coating cook plate. Now let's open the box and see how this dosa maker looks like. This is the main machine, and you also get few things along, like this is the bamboo spatula that you get in order to flip the dosa or chila or parantha that you're making. Apart from the bamboo spatula, you also get this wooden batter spreader. Now if you've ever been to South India or you have ever seen in a South Indian restaurant how they spread the dosa batter, it is with this wooden stick. This is just to make sure that the batter spreads evenly. So you also get this one so that you get a complete professional look of your dosa whenever you make it at home. And plus there's a user guide cum warranty card. Now anything that I missed on the box? Nothing. I think everything I already told you. Now this is the user guide, and this is the dosa maker at home. That means you can now make professional dosa like the ones you see in restaurants or South Indian restaurants you have seen. You can make it at home. This is non-stick, so that means you don't have to put too much of oil in making the dosa. The dosa will not stick to the plate. And what you have to do in order to maintain this, now whenever you're making dosa, some oil you have to spread on the pan, little bit of oil, you just have to season the pan. And once you start making dosas and once you finish this, what you have to do, you have to take a damp cloth and you just have to clean it. Always clean this with damp cloth. Don't use metal scrubs to clean this plate, otherwise you might spoil the plate. Now there is this thermostat to control the temperature as you control on normal tawa when you make dosa. So this was it in the unboxing video. You get the user guide, you get the bamboo spatula, and you get this wooden batter spreader so that your dosa is crispier and it's evenly spread. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more videos.